Hi, I'm Ed Seary. I've been hunting coyotes for over 30 years. Now, coyotes generally stand about 2 feet tall at the shoulder. Coyote language, about howling for coyotes, about how you can use a coyote howler call to both locate the position.
Welcome to Ed Seary's Outdoor Classroom, a well-known authority on predator and big game hunting.
And to call coyotes in for a good close shot. My goal today is to make you a better coyote hunter.
You're a hell of an instinctive pilot. Maybe too good. I'd like to bust your butt, but I can't. I got another...
During Korea, the Navy kill ratio was...
And that no matter where you hunt in the United States...
What the hell's going on?
I don't know.
Me.
It'll be in law. Fly at least 2 combat missions a day.
You guys are number one. But you remember one thing. You screw up just this much.
Yeah, hard on. Don't tell me. Don't tease me. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to our commanding officer at top.
An all-white coyote. Coyotes.
That is all.
Gentlemen.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.